roof, y'all. You videoing all this?
Yeah.
You can get a discount on a new Chevy. Hey, I might need to trade mine in. We can get a discount on the Hurricane Edition.
Man.
Buy you a Chevrolet.
Hurricane Edition Chevy.
That's right.
Weather just stolen.
Autographed by Michael himself. In the back seat.
That son of a bitch ripped the dang thing?
Yeah,
Right
ripped the
there?
wire line.
No, I'm
What?
talking about the machine. Did it rip the
Oh no, it sure bounced back over.
Is yours holding the knife on your side?
Look like it. Look at this guy. What are they doing?
Mississippi Power, boy.
They got the road blocked up here or something.
You got this shit.
Nope.
Oh,
There's a wreck or something up here. They're diverting all these folks. Oh, they're going to get donations is what they're going. They're all in line to go to Sam's.
He got the right idea.
They're all going to Sam's to get
yeah.
Water and bologna.
Shots, man.
Sunbelt.
That's what they're doing. They're all in line to get gas and everything.
That's just sad.
Jeez. Another movie theater trashed.
We did our due diligence.
Church trashed.
That's what we did. You're right. Be blessed for that.
Go back to doing really shitty.
Good.
Man, you had to work on this transmission.
Dude, that's the way it works.
Good Lord. Oh.
Yeah, look at all of that.
Oh.
Panama City limit.
Oh, that's 6-7 though. Blood pressure on.
Oh God, watch out, something poke you Dale in a minute. You done seen a new Ford.
That's what Big Daddy wants right there. Just needed the finances though. Well, I could go finance one day and go to work.
I don't know if Michael's stayed on the thing. I think it might have popped off. Might have to re-strap her down. Huh? You know what? We had it at that slight angle. It probably let loose. Look down that road, y'all. All the stuff on the road.
Man, oh man, oh man.
That was just clean block. Did y'all see that freaking piece of tin wrapped around? Did y'all see this?
Yeah, I see it.
Look at the
I see
bank
it.
right
Are you
here.
seeing this?
Eddie, right here.
Oh my God. Dude, there's tin wrapped around everything that we hold it.
Chick-fil-A, that brand new Chick-fil-A, son.
Was that a Chick-fil-A?
Well, it ain't even been a Chick-fil-A yet.
Oh.
It was a slab 3 weeks ago when we were down here.
Bro, what was that?
Car wash.
Videos for weeks, man.
I know.
We had something to show the guys back at work.
Hey, boy, there's some more donators.
Dollar Gentro.
That boy's gone.
Yeah.
She goes.
Run the damn thing.
The lights ain't even there no more.
God, dude, the signs are still out in the road right here. Power lines
Whoa,
and stuff.
this is just ridiculous, bro. This is ridiculous.
Watch this ambulance coming at us. Watch Humpty Dumpty here too.
Shit'll pull up. Oh, boy. Pull out the road. Oh, that sidewalk going right in the road.
Well, I can promise you the eye of the storm definitely hit right here. Come through this area.
So,
Are we close?
look at that region, Joe.
Krispy Kreme. Truck's upside down. Look at that van upside down.
It's right here on the right.
Well, they stripped that damn gas station down. It's crazy.
And I got so many pictures and videos of gas stations blown to pieces.
This damn thing just took me to wrap it around whatever location.
Wells Fargo
You don't need any road signs while we're here. Where the hell?
What's left? Granny Camp Trail's still up.
Yeah,
Right
right there on the
right.
corner. Closed, just like it was the last
Hey,
2
but
weeks.
hey, it's still got
got
all
a
the
building.
windows.
Still got a building.
Should be good some
Still want to eat
biscuits.
some of that nanner pudding.
Yeah.
Boy, that sign right there. Yup, dude. That red
Oh, man.
iron beam sign is freaking bent to pieces. If you couldn't have told me that you could bend that steel. Panama City Mall.
Look at all the windows just laid in the inside of the
Yep.
monster.
God.
Old John Lee Nissan was open for business.
Lowe's is no mo's.
Oh God, dude, look at that left side.
Garden Center
Ooh.
is scrap aluminum.
Hammer.
Look at the 18-wheeler on its side. Over there, 2 of them.
Oh.
See them?
Yeah, I see
The pine straw trailers.
See the underbelly. Look on
Goodness. This guy's sign say, what's he
Prepare
doing?
to turn left onto US 231.
Labor Max. Taking advantage of the situation.
Yep. Come on, lady.
Look at this trailer right here, guys. On the right. Mangle.
Whoa.
The axle ain't even there no more.
Whoa. How does that happen? You think that came from Lowe's, Joe?
God, look down that road.
Oh, true disaster. Oh, that damn SAR Navy team right there, boy.
Look at look back there. y'all.
Oh, man.
Here comes another animal.
What the hell are these aliens?
I don't know, but look at all the tents over there. Man, this is just
Tents?
yeah, over there. Set up for people.
I missed that. Oh, I see them over there. Shelters. Chick-fil-A. Closed down. Oh man, it's terrible down through there.
Dude, this is not on TV. It's an ass sleep.
Was that 231 we just passed? Oh no, that's something coming up. State Farm, there's a bunch of crooks right there in that
left
van.
after a quarter of a mile onto
There's a van
US
load of crooks right there.
231.
They're giving out insurance prices. Quotes. Now, the paint off in there real auction.
We're losing Mike. He's running out of gas. He's spitting and sputtering right there. Had to weave back and forth to shake all you got left into the fuel pump. Man, look at the roof on that place. What's left of it? We got all the clay shingles, some of the plywood down all the way down to the trusses. My gosh, there's just so much to look at. It's
Please
unreal.
bear next left.
Yeah. Look at the portico right there on the Hampton Inn. On the ground. The drive-through.
Yeah, that strap done come loose again, y'all.
Look at the trains over here, man, on their side. Jeez. there. Golly. Yeah, I'm gonna stop him. Hold on. In a hurry.
Hit a wire.
Man, look at them train cars. Yeah.
Follow the road until further instructions.
Well, that's a head scratcher.
Look at this RV right here. It's man.
Hell, look better than some of the houses.
Dude, all them
Man,
campers are just.
look at these grain wagons on their side.
What they gonna do about that?
That's what I'm saying. It's a head scratcher. You stand there and scratch your head and wonder.
What they gonna do about that? They can't even train in supplies. They gotta fly on in. Drive on in. No train cars running.
Look at that barn right there. That little shed. Sat right there in that one little spot, turned upside down. We're gonna lose the transmission on this thing.